Long-lasting battery. Whatever your day has in store, this mobile phone's 15W fast-charging battery makes sure you're ready for it and gives your charger a break. Enhanced 5G performance, say goodbye to buffering and hello to quick downloading and smooth streaming. Outfitted with a fast and reliable processor, Galaxy A13 5G gives you a virtually lag-free 5G experience. Expandable storage, make the most out of your memories. It comes loaded with 64 GB of internal memory, with room for up to 1 TB more when you add a microSD card. Triple lens camera. With a high-res triple lens camera system, Galaxy A13 5G gives you one of our most sought-after cameras at a fraction of the price. Infinite display. Enjoy your entertainment, videos and pictures all in a crisp, edge-to-edge with an adaptive 90Hz Infinity V Plus display. Now that's dream come true screen time worth experiencing for yourself. Modern design. You can see Galaxy A13 5G was created with function and style in mind. Its simple, durable design and silky smooth finish make it a delight to handle and hold. Privacy and security. Galaxy A series smartphones help protect your data with multi-layered security and the ability to privately share your files on your terms.